Hello everyone, and welcome to your financial journey. Today, we are going to talk about a very popular tool that can help you start investing. This tool is called Upstox. Think of it like a special shop on your phone, but instead of buying groceries or clothes, you can buy small parts of big companies. These small parts are called shares or stocks. When you buy shares, you become a small owner of that company. Upstox is a mobile application and a website that lets you buy and sell these shares very easily. It is what we call a discount broker. This means it helps you trade in the stock market for a very low fee. So what exactly can you do with Upstox? The possibilities are quite exciting. You can invest in the Indian stock market. This means you can buy shares of companies listed on the National Stock Exchange and the Bombay Stock Exchange. Imagine owning a piece of companies like Reliance, TCS, or HDFC Bank. But that is not all. You can also invest in mutual funds, which are like baskets of different stocks managed by experts. This is a great way to diversify your money. For more advanced traders, Upstox also offers futures and options, commodities like gold and silver, and even currencies. It is a complete package for your investment needs. The main job of Upstox is to connect you, the investor, to the stock exchanges. In the old days, you had to call a broker on the phone to place an order. It was a slow and sometimes confusing process. But now, with apps like Upstox, the entire stock market is right at your fingertips. You can see the prices of stocks changing live. You can decide when to buy and when to sell with just a few taps on your screen. This power to control your own investments is what makes platforms like Upstox so special. They have made investing accessible to everyone, not just the experts. It is truly a revolution in the world of personal finance. As we step into 2025, using technology for our financial growth is more important than ever. Upstox is designed to be very user-friendly. Even if you have never invested before, you will find the app easy to understand. It has a clean design and simple language. The goal is to remove fear and confusion from investing. The app helps you open your demat and trading account completely online. This process is known as eKYC or Know Your Customer, and it is paperless and quick. So you can start your investment journey from the comfort of your home. In this guide, we will explore every part of Upstox to make you a confident investor. When we are talking about our hard-earned money, the first question that comes to mind is it safe? Can I trust this company? These are very important questions, and I am happy to tell you about the people behind Upstox. The company was founded by three friends, Ravi Kumar, Raghu Kumar, and Srinivas Viswanath. They wanted to make trading in India affordable and easy for everyone. They started this company, which was earlier known as RKSV Securities, and later they rebranded it to Upstox. Their vision has helped millions of Indians to start their investment journey. But the story gets even more interesting. Upstox has received funding and support from some of the biggest names in the business world. One of the most famous backers is Mr. Ratan Tata, a name that everyone in India trusts. His investment in Upstox gives the company a huge amount of credibility. When a respected industrialist like him shows faith in a company, it tells us that the company has a strong foundation and a good vision for the future. This is a very big reason why many people feel secure using the Upstox platform for their investments. It is like a stamp of approval from one of the best. Furthermore, Upstox is regulated by the Securities and Exchange Board of India, which we call SEBI. SEBI is the main government body that looks after the stock market in India. It makes rules to protect investors like you and me. Every broker, including Upstox, must follow these rules strictly. This ensures that your money and your shares are kept safely. Your shares are held in a demat account, which is linked with depositories like CDSL. This means even if something happens to the broker, your shares are completely safe. This regulatory oversight is the biggest safety net for all investors. Finally, let's talk about the technology and security within the app itself. Upstox uses strong encryption to protect your data and transactions. This is similar to the security used by banks. You have a password and a 6-digit PIN to access your account. For added security, you can also use biometric login, like your fingerprint or Face ID. This makes sure that only you can access your account. The company is constantly updating its technology to stay ahead of any potential threats. So you can be assured that Upstox takes the safety of your account and your money very seriously. When you first open the Upstox app after logging in, you will see a clean and organized screen. The app is cleverly divided into 5 main sections to make everything easy to find. These sections are located at the bottom of your screen, like a navigation bar. You can switch between them with a single tap. The 5 sections are Home, Markets, Portfolio, Orders, and Account. Each one has a specific purpose, designed to make your investing experience smooth and efficient. Think of these as different rooms in your financial house, each with its own set of tools and information. Let's start with the first section, Home. This is your personalized dashboard. It is the first screen you see, and it gives you a quick summary of your investment world. Here, you will find your watch lists, which are lists of stocks you want to keep an eye on. You can create multiple watch lists for different types of stocks, like My IT Stocks or long-term bets. The home screen also shows you important market news, updates about your portfolio, and sometimes suggests new investment opportunities like upcoming IPOs. It's your starting point every time you open the app, giving you a snapshot of what's important. Next up is the Market section. This is your window to the entire stock market. Here, you can get a bird's eye view of what is happening in the market today. You can see the main indices like Nifty 50 and Sensex and check if the market is up or down. This section also shows you the top gaining stocks and the top losing stocks of the day. You can explore different sectors like banking, IT, or pharma to see which industries are performing well. It's the perfect place to discover new stocks and understand the overall market mood before making any investment decisions. The third section is the portfolio. This is where you can see all your investments in one place. It is your personal report card. The portfolio section shows you the stocks you have bought and how they are performing. You can see the total amount you have invested and the current value of your investments. It also tells you your overall profit or loss. This section is divided into 2 parts: holdings for stocks you plan to keep for more than a day, and positions for trades you make and close on the same day, which is called intraday trading. It is very important to check your portfolio regularly. Finally, we have the orders and account sections. The orders section is your activity log. It keeps a record of all the buy and sell orders you have placed. You can see which orders are open, which have been completed, and which were cancelled. It helps you track your trading activity very clearly. The account section is your personal profile and wallet. Here, you can see your available funds, add more money to your Upstox account, or withdraw money to your bank account. You can also access your profile details, reports, and change your settings from this section. Now that we know the 5 main sections, let's explore them in more detail. In the Home section, the most powerful feature is the watch list. You can create up to 10 watch lists and add up to 100 stocks in each one. To add a stock, you just tap the search icon, type the company's name, and tap the Add button. Once a stock is on your watch list, you can see its live price, the day's change in price, and a small chart. Tapping on any stock in your watch list opens its detailed page with charts, financial data, and news. This is where you will spend most of your time tracking the companies you are interested in. Let's move to the Market section. Beyond just seeing the top gainers and losers, you can explore market depth. This feature shows you the top 5 buy orders and sell orders for a particular stock, which helps you understand the demand and supply. The Market section also has a dedicated tab for news and events. This keeps you updated with important announcements like company results or economic policy changes that could affect stock prices. You can also explore different futures and options contracts here if you are an advanced trader. It is your central hub for all market-related research and analysis. The Portfolio section is where the results of your decisions are visible. In the Holdings tab, for each stock you own, you can see the quantity, the average price at which you bought it, and the total profit or loss. Upstox also calculates the day's profit or loss and the overall profit or loss separately. This gives you a clear picture of your investment performance. In the Positions tab, you see your intraday trades. This is for trades that you open and close on the same day. It updates in real time, showing you your profit or loss as the market moves, which is very important for day traders. Lastly, let's look closer at the Orders and Account sections. In the Orders section, you can filter your orders by status: all, open, closed. This is very helpful when you have placed multiple orders. A special feature here is the GTT, or Good Till Triggered Order. A GTT order allows you to set a trigger price, and the order will be placed only when the stock reaches that price. It remains valid for 1 year. In the account section, the Funds tab is crucial. It shows Available to Trade, which is the money you can use right now. The withdraw function is simple, and the money is usually transferred to your linked bank account within 24 hours. Beyond the basic functions, Upstox offers several powerful features that, honestly, can give you an edge in your investment journey. One of the most important features is the technical charts. When you tap on any stock, you can open its chart. These are not just simple line graphs. Upstox provides advanced charting tools from TradingView, which is, a world-class platform. You can change the chart type to candlesticks, which are very popular among traders. You can also add various technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, or MACD. These indicators can help you analyze price trends and make better decisions about when to buy or sell a stock. Another fantastic feature is alerts. Let's say you want to buy a stock, but you think its current price is just too high. You want to buy it only if the price drops to a certain level. Instead of watching the screen all day, you can set a price alert. You can tell the app, "Notify me when the price of this stock reaches 500 rupees. The Upstox app will then send you a notification on your phone as soon as the stock hits your target price. This is a very convenient feature that saves you a lot of time and ensures you don't miss out on your desired entry or exit points. Applying for initial public offerings, or IPOs, is also incredibly simple on Upstox. An IPO is when a private company offers its shares to the public for the first time. Upstox has a dedicated section for IPOs. Here, you can see a list of all current and upcoming IPOs. You can read about the company, check the price band, and apply for the IPO directly from the app using your UPI ID. The process is completely digital, and honestly, it takes only a few minutes. This has made it very easy for retail investors to participate in the growth story of new companies listing on the stock market. Finally, let's talk about investing for the long term with SIPs and mutual funds. Upstox allows you to invest in thousands of direct mutual funds. Direct means you don't have to pay any commission, which saves you money. You can invest a lump sum amount or start a systematic investment plan, or SIP. A SIP allows you to invest a fixed small amount every month automatically. This is a disciplined way to build wealth over time. The app helps you discover funds based on categories and risk levels, making it easy for beginners to choose the right fund for their goals. These features make Upstox a complete platform for all types of investors. Section 6. Let's talk money. Understanding Upstox charges. When you start investing, it's really important to understand the costs involved. These costs can affect your overall profits. Upstox is known as a discount broker because its charges are very low compared to traditional brokers. Let's break down the main charges so that you know exactly what you are paying for. The first charge is the account opening fee. As of 2025, opening an account with Upstox is usually free. They often have special offers, so you can start your investment journey without any initial cost. This is a big advantage for new investors. The most common charge is brokerage. Brokerage is the fee you pay to the broker for executing your trades. For equity delivery trades, where you buy stocks and hold them for more than 1 day, Upstox charges 0 brokerage. Yes, you read that right. It's completely free. This is fantastic for long-term investors. For intraday trading, buying and selling on the same day, and for futures and options, Upstox charges a flat fee of 20 rupees per executed order, or 0.05% of the trade value, whichever is lower. This flat fee model is very transparent and cost-effective, especially for larger trades. What about other investments? If you invest in mutual funds through Upstox, there is more good news. Upstox offers direct mutual funds, which means there is 0 commission or brokerage on your mutual fund investments. This can save you a lot of money in the long run, as even a small commission can become a large amount over many years. For IPO applications, there are no charges from Upstox. You can apply for any IPO for free. This encourages more people to participate in new listings. The focus is clearly on making investing as affordable as possible for everyone. Finally, there is a charge called the Annual Maintenance Charge, or AMC. This is a fee for maintaining your demat account. Upstox charges a nominal AMC, which is usually around 150 to 300 rupees per year, plus GST. Sometimes they have offers where the first year's AMC is waived. Apart from brokerage and AMC, there are some other small charges levied by the government and regulatory bodies like STT, exchange transaction charges, and GST. These are charged by all brokers, and Upstox clearly shows you the breakdown of all these charges in your contract note for every trade. Transparency is key. Section 7. Your first steps. A simple guide to getting started. Are you ready to begin your investment journey with Upstox? It's simpler than you think. I will walk you through the entire process, step by step. Just follow these simple instructions, and you will be ready to place your first trade. Step 1. Download the app and sign up. First, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone and search for Upstox. Download the official app, open the app and click on Create an account. You will need to enter your mobile number and email address to start the process. You will receive an OTP, a one-time password, on your mobile to verify it. Step 2. Complete your KYC. This is the most important step. You need to keep a few documents handy: your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and a cancelled check or your bank statement. The app will guide you through the process. You will need to enter your PAN number and date of birth. Then, you will complete the Aadhaar e-sign process, where your Aadhaar is verified with an OTP. You will also need to take a live photo, a selfie, and upload a picture of your signature on a plain paper. This entire process is paperless and takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Step 3. Add funds to your account. Once your account is activated, this usually takes 1 to 2 days. You will receive your login details. Log into the app. Now you need to add money to your Upstox wallet to start buying stocks. Go to the Account section, tap on Funds, and then Add Funds. You can add money using UPI like Google Pay or PhonePe, net banking or NEFT RTGs. Using UPI is the fastest and easiest method. Step 4. Create your first watch list and place a trade. Go to the Home section and create a new watch list. Let's call it My First Stocks. Use the search bar to find a company you want to invest in, for example, Reliance Industries. Add it to your watch list. Now tap on the stock. You will see Buy and Sell buttons. Tap Buy. Enter the quantity of shares you want to buy. Choose the product type, delivery for long-term or intraday for same-day trading. Select the order type, market, to buy at the current price or limit, to set a specific price. Review your order and swipe to submit. Congratulations, you have placed your first order. Step 5. Track your investments and withdraw profits. After your buy order is executed, the stock will appear in your portfolio section under Holdings on the next trading day. You can track its performance here. When you decide to sell a stock, you go to your portfolio, tap on the stock, and press the Sell button. Once you sell your shares and have a profit, the money will be credited to your Upstox funds. To move this money to your bank account, go to the Account section, tap Withdraw, enter the amount, and confirm. The money will be in your bank account within a day. Section 8. The good and the not so good. Pros and cons. Every tool has its strengths and weaknesses, and Upstox is no different. It's important to know both sides so you can decide if it's the right choice for you. Let's start with the good things, the pros. The biggest advantage for beginners is the pricing. Zero brokerage on equity delivery trades is a huge plus. This means you can invest for the long term without worrying about costs eating into your returns. The flat 20 rupee fee for intraday trading is also very competitive and transparent, making it easy to calculate your costs. Another big pro is the user interface of the app. The Upstox app is clean, fast, and very easy to navigate. Even someone who is not very tech-savvy can learn to use it quickly. Features like creating multiple watch lists, easy IPO application through UPI, and investing in direct mutual funds are all designed with the user's convenience in mind. The integration of advanced trading view charts is a great benefit for those who want to learn technical analysis. The overall experience is smooth and modern, which is what a new investor in 2025 would expect from a top-tier financial app. The process of opening an account is another significant advantage. It is completely digital, paperless, and fast. You can get your account up and running in a day or two without leaving your home. The backing from respected investors like Mr. Ratan Tata and the strict regulation by SEBI provide a strong sense of trust and security. The availability of a wide range of investment products from stocks and mutual funds to commodities and currencies, means that the platform can grow with you as your investment knowledge and needs expand. Now let's talk about the cons, or the areas where Upstox could improve. One common point of feedback is regarding customer support. While they offer support through various channels, sometimes the response times can be slow during peak market hours. For a beginner who might have an urgent question, this can be a point of frustration. Another thing to note is that while Upstox is great for trading and investing, it does not provide in-depth research reports or stock recommendations like some full-service brokers do. You have to do your own research. Also, the GTT Good Till Triggered order feature is available only for delivery trades on NSE, which might be a limitation for some traders. Section 9. Final thoughts. Is Upstox your perfect partner? So, after exploring all the features, charges, pros, and cons, we come to the final question. Is Upstox the right choice for a beginner starting their investment journey in 2025? In my opinion, for the vast majority of new investors, the answer is a resounding yes. Upstox has successfully created a platform that is simple, affordable, and powerful. It removes many of the traditional barriers that used to keep people away from the stock market. The fear of high costs, complex processes, and confusing interfaces is no longer a major concern. The key benefit that stands out is its cost-effectiveness. The zero brokerage on delivery trades is a game changer for anyone who wants to build a long-term portfolio. It allows you to start small, invest regularly, and let your money grow without being eroded by fees. The flat fee structure for other trades brings predictability to your trading costs. This focus on affordability means more of your hard-earned money is put to work in the market rather than being paid as commissions. For a beginner, this is an incredibly important advantage that can significantly impact their long-term wealth creation. Moreover, the user-friendly design of the app makes the learning process enjoyable. Investing can seem intimidating at first, but a well-designed app like Upstox acts as a friendly guide. The logical layout, simple navigation, and easy access to features like IPOs and mutual fund SIPs empower you to take control of your finances. You are not just buying stocks, you are learning about markets, tracking your portfolio, and making informed decisions, all from one place. The platform provides the tools. You just need to bring the curiosity and discipline to learn and grow. In conclusion, Upstox has established itself as a leading choice for the modern Indian investor. It combines low costs, advanced technology, and a user-centric approach to create a compelling package. While it may have some minor drawbacks like any other service, its strengths far outweigh them, especially for someone who is just starting out. It provides you with a safe, regulated, and efficient gateway to the world of investing. So if you're ready to take that first step towards financial independence, Upstox is definitely a partner worth considering for your journey. Happy investing!